The burst came from a supermassive black hole at the center of a distant galaxy. It had been dormant, but something had shocked it back to life. Several stars were orbiting the black hole at a safe distance. Then one of them got too close. The sleeping giant suddenly awoke. Immense gravitational forces stretched the star to its breaking point, until finally it was torn apart. Debris swirled round the black hole, heated to millions of degrees. Two giant jets of gamma rays blasted into space at the speed of light. The event was so violent, we saw it from Earth 3 billion light years away. Black holes can suck in planets and rip apart stars. But gravity doesn't always pull things in. Recently, scientists discovered stars hurtling away from our galaxy at incredible speed. Normal stars don't do this. So what could accelerate a star to hypervelocity? The answer was a surprise. Each hypervelocity star was originally one of a pair of stars orbiting a supermassive black hole. When they got too close, gravity pulled them apart. The black hole catapulted one star out of the galaxy at 2 million miles an hour. Eventually, the other was sucked in and destroyed.
The interesting thing here is that you can get a complete redistribution of stars. So you have stars that are in the center of the galaxy and suddenly they're ejected out into intergalactic space.
And it's out here in deep space that orbits are at their most powerful, smashing entire galaxies together to create the structure of the universe itself. Across the universe, extreme gravity is a force of destruction. The orbits of planets and stars can be chaotic, unpredictable, and violent. But on a truly cosmic scale, gravity is no longer just a destroyer. It also creates new worlds. These are galaxies, giant spinning clusters of stars, gas, and dust, 100,000 light years across. Galaxies orbit each other in the same way planets orbit stars. Gravity pulls them together. Their speed keeps them apart. But ultimately, gravity always wins. Entire galaxies smash together.
One of the most spectacular events in the universe is when galaxies collide. You're talking about hundreds of billions of stars, 100,000 light years across. Two of these things slamming into each other.
Collisions between orbiting galaxies take place over millions of years. Gravity slowly pulls them together. On this intergalactic scale, gravity and motion are no longer destructive forces. Now, they trigger the creation of life itself.
You would think a galactic collision would be incredibly destructive, and in one sense it is, but in another sense it's a very creative force.